These are my ingredients to make St. Leaf stew. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Join me, let's make St. Leaf stew. Don't be bothered if you don't see all the ingredients now. I'll be mentioning them as we get cooking. But the two major ingredients I want you to have in mind is St. Leaf and water leaf. You are surprised, right? How can water leaf be added to St. Leaf stew? Just stay tuned and watch and see me do the magic. The choice protein for this stew is mackerel fish and cowhead. The fish has been cut, cleaned and seasoned to marinate. After washing the cowhead and cow skin very well, I cut it into a desirable size. Season it up with onion, seasoning cube, salt, thyme and curry. Add some water and set it to cook till it's very soft. Now let's make our tomato puree. I will start with the ginger, add some water and blend till it becomes very smooth before I go in with pepper and tomato. After blending the tomato, I add the puree in a pot and cook it on a medium-low heat till the water is 95% dry. That fish I told you that I marinated area, I have fried it up, so this is the remnant of the oil. I add it in a pot and go in with some extra oil. Allow to get hot, add some salt and onions and allow to fry for 1 minute. After sauteing the onions for a minute, so I went in with tomato paste and allowed to fry for 7 to 8 minutes or leave it till the tomato tastes sweet. After 8 minutes, the tomato have fried, so I went in with the tomato puree which I cooked area. Stir to combine and allow to fry on a very low heat for at least 25 minutes. During the 25 minutes, I check and stir on intervals to prevent burning. After like 25 minutes, the tomato have fried, so I went in with curry, stir to combine and add the major protein which is the goat head and the bone. Stir it around and add some seasoning. Before I forget, the protein was added with the stock. First vegetable to go in is St. Leaf because it's the hard one, so I wash it very well with salt, slice it very well and add to the stew to cook. As it is cooking, immediately I start prepping the other vegetable which I will be using, which is water leaf. Wash it very well with salt and cut it into a tiny chunks. Add to the stew and stir it to combine. Taste for adjustment and voila, in less than 2 minutes our stew is ready. If you have not tried any of my recipe, I encourage you to do this one and you will come back with testimony. After stirring it in, I add my already fried mackerel fish. Just coat it with stew and put off the gas. Hurrah, our stew is ready. If you have not tried any of my recipe, I encourage you to try this one and give your review. Please, my wonderful people, kindly give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please kindly do so. The subscription is free. And you, my returning subscribers, which always come back to watch my video, I'm grateful. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Now, the moment of truth. Let's test our creativity. My facial expression will tell you how the food tastes. Bye.